Welcome to Item Inc. We're here to help with all your printer needs. If you have any questions or want to see specific topics covered, drop a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's jump right in.
Today, we will be covering how to replace the waste toner container in your Lexmark CX522ade and CX625ade. For detailed information on compatible models, error codes, and links to replacement parts, check the description below. Let's get started. To begin, power off the printer and unplug the power cord from the outlet. Next, pull down the front door assembly to open it. To access the waste toner container, press the two tabs to release the scanner right cover, then lift it up. Then, press the two tabs and pull out the right cover to remove it. Pressing the tabs, slide the old waste toner container outwards to remove it. Next, slide the new waste toner container into place until it clicks securely. Align the tabs at the bottom of the right cover first, then push it up until it locks securely in place. Then, push the scanner right cover downward to close it securely. Next, close the front door assembly. Finally, plug the power cable into both the printer and a power outlet. Then, turn on the printer using its power button.
Well, that wraps up our step-by-step guide. Click the like button if this video helped you out. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment below. Subscribe if you want to be kept updated about new videos. And thanks for watching. And keep an eye out for that next video from Item Inc.